In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim Google Business Profile. If you want to manage how your business appears on Google Search and Google Maps, claiming your business profile is the first thing you need to do. This is what gives you control over important details like your business hours, photos, and customer reviews. It also helps Google confirm that you're the real owner or authorized manager of the business. To get started, go to Google Search or open Google Maps. Then type in your exact business name along with your city so the results are as accurate as possible. Once the results appear, look through them carefully and click on your business listing. This step is important because you need to make sure you're selecting the correct profile before moving forward. After opening the listing, look for an option that says Claim this business or Own this business. If you see one of those options, click it and then choose Manage Now. That begins the process of connecting the listing to your Google account so you can take control of it. In some cases, you may see a message saying that the business profile has already been claimed. If that happens, don't worry. Just click Request Access and complete the form shown on the screen. Google will then notify the current profile manager, and that person usually has about 3 to 7 days to respond. If you're working with an older business listing, this situation is fairly common, so it's good to know what to expect. Next comes verification. Google uses this step to confirm that you really represent the business. Depending on what options Google makes available for your listing, you may be able to verify by phone or text, where a code is sent to your business phone number. You might also see email verification, which works the same way, but sends the code to your business email address. Another option is video verification, where you record a short video showing your storefront, office, or business equipment to prove the business is real and active. In some cases, Google may send a postcard with a verification code to your business address, and that can take up to 2 weeks to arrive. Once you receive the code, enter it into your Google Business Profile account to complete the claim. After that, your profile should be verified and ready for you to manage. As a quick tip, make sure all your business details are accurate before and after verification so your customers can easily find and trust your listing. And that's how to claim your Google Business Profile.